My name is Marjon Rubio Kahi. Today, I'm going to discuss the parts and function of this car. The first is the battery. The purpose of battery is to provide an electric current to electric powered starting the motor or vehicle, and also provide electric power of wirings of the vehicle. The next one is the brake fluid. Takes the force from the depressed brake pedal, translate it into pressure, and send this pressure to the front and rear brakes to stop a vehicle. And the next is the air filter or air cleaner, which cleans and filters the air before entering the combustion chamber of the engine. And the next is the engine. Converts energy from a fuel to some mechanical energy, creating motion in the process. And also engines are the ones used to run vehicles. It can run a variety of different fuel, just like gasoline and diesel in the case of cars. The next is the horn, to warn of the vehicle's presence or approach, or to call attention to some hazard. And the next is the bumper, structure attached to or integrated with the front and rear ends of the vehicles to absorb impact in a minor collision, ideally minimizing repair cost. And the next is the grill, allow air to enter or exit. The next is the front light, is to illuminate the roadway and facilitate fatigue-free and safe driving. And the next is the signal light. It demonstrates declaration and change in direction of the vehicle, and make the vehicle more visible to other road users when it's dark or during poor visibility. And the next is a wiper. It provides the torque to move them and ensuring a clean windshield. The next is the mags. Keep dust and debris from entering your car's wheel hubs, protecting your wheels from premature wear. The next is the shock, to stop the car from bouncing. The next is the tail light, to ensure that you are visible to others. The next is the side mirror, the driver see areas behind and to the side of the vehicle outside the driver's peripheral vision. The next is the door, entering and exiting a vehicle. The next is the seat, provide a seating space to driver. Both also support, protect, and provide comfortable seating posture to the occupants. The next is the vehicle audio, listening to music and radio. The next is the rear view mirrors, allow the driver to see rearward through the vehicle's rear window, rear windshield. The next is the steering wheel, guide vehicle turning per wheel of the driver or control the direction of a vehicle. The next is the handbrake, to ensure the vehicle does not roll away when parked. The next is the dashboard, kind of command center of a car, which includes clocks, gauge, switches, and many other important elements. And the next is the gear shift, allows the driver to change gears on a manual transmission.
The next is the clutch.
Connects and disconnects the engine power from the transmission, allowing you to change gears smoothly.
The next is the accelerator.
Control the flow of gasoline to the engine.
Next is the brake.
It used for slowing or stopping a moving vehicle.